Morning guys, we're out in Robina today doing a hot water service for a customer's hot water system. As you can see, it's all exposed copper. That overflow is not correct. It's got to be discharging into that drain. So we've changed the safety valve, TPR valve. We're going to be lagging all of this, replacing the anode as well. So we'll do the full service and yeah, we'll check in once it's done. Hi guys, so we finished the hot water service. So we've got new tempering valve with a new insulation to keep it warm, eliminate heat loss. We've got the new valve, we've extended that line to be within regulation, and we've got a new anode in there with the old one. They're quite brittle. So yeah, good hot water service done.
Call Gold Coast Plumbing Experts on 1300 600 632.